Yo, what is up everybody? It is your boy Jinx Kicks here, and today I got my first video on the channel, which is going to be shoe unboxing and my first impressions. I already saw them on the website, but you know, shoes always look different in person, and these are the Nike Blazer Mids, I think premiums. Alright, so let's see. Nike. Got them in olive green sauce, like color color. Here's the shoe. The shoe is mainly suede, except for the leather and the tongue. I don't know if you can see that, but the tongue is like a different material. You know, you got the white Nike tongue, the laces. They're pretty long, but what I usually do when I have long laces, I'll tighten them. Okay, I'll do it here for you guys. So I'll tighten normally. I would normally tie my shoe. I would try to even out the laces, and then try to get the least amount of like lace slash, like of these parts laying over. You want the loops to be the longest. You know, take it and then just tie the loops. And right now I kind of messed it up, but it should blend in with the first loop. And I think I made the loops too big, but it usually looks a lot more clean. But they are really hard to untie, that's the thing. Alright, just 1 second. There we go, I'll just put these back in the shoe. There we go. Well, I almost shot the shoe right there. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has this design on the sole. I don't know how I'm feeling about the sole. I think it's gonna look clean, but I don't know why. This just reminds me of like a military boot, an army military boot. It's got the gum bottom, got the Nike on the back. There's a swoosh on both sides. I really do like this shoe. I might have to get a couple different colorways in this. I think they have these at Champs. I don't know. I saw one colorway on Nike.com. It was the Vachetta tan leathers. I really like those. They were $120. I just noticed they laced it through the little hole in the tongue. I don't know if that's done on the other one too. I'll pull that one out right now. I really like how the swoosh goes all the way through the back. Alright, so I'll put this down. And I'm not gonna have on foot like review on this shoe right now because I am recording this on my crappy ass Samsung phone. Yeah, it's tied through this one too. The inside has got white lining around. It's got the white Nike Air, or not Nike Air, but Nike. Same gum bottoms. I really like the suede on this. I have a feeling I'm gonna have trouble getting my foot into this. These are size 9, so they're a bit small. I usually wear 9.5, but we'll see. I wear 9.5. No, 9.5. Hold on, guys. Yeah, sorry. I wear 8.5. I'm sorry. So 9. These should fit me pretty good then. I'm gonna have some room to go into them too. I'll give you guys a quick overview of the box. So right here, this is the top of the box. You got the Nike. You got the swoosh, and then it has Nike and like basically writing on top of it. Same. You got the dimensions of it. Yes, writing on the bottom. it says Nike, the swoosh, just do it, Nike. Okay. Got some writing right there. What does it say on the writing? Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champion athletes throughout the world. Continued research and constant development are responsible for the athletes of the 70s changing to Nike. That's what it says right here, and it just says that same in Spanish. Thank you guys if you stick around this whole video. I know this video is trash, but leave a like if you guys want to. You can subscribe, comment, share on whatever, Facebook. I really don't care, but I do care. But I am going to be getting my quality better. I'm gonna try to get a new phone. I might be getting a new phone, and then I'm gonna be using editing software. So this was just to get something out on the channel. But I will see you guys later. This is your boy Jinx.